Have you noticed your vision is not as clear as it once was? Reading small print feels harder. Driving at night becomes stressful. Bright lights make you squint. And sometimes your eyes take longer to adjust whether you are waking up, stepping outside, or walking into a dim room. At first it feels like a small annoyance, but slowly it starts affecting how you live your life. As we grow older, our eyes lose their natural ability to recover from daily strain. This decline does not happen in one night. It builds quietly over the years. During the night when your body should be healing, your eyes are meant to rest, repair and clear out waste that collects during the day. They restore blood flow and rebuild cells in the retina. But for many older adults, this repair process slows down, and if you do not get the right nutrients before sleep, it may stop almost completely. That is when real vision problems begin. You start noticing blur, dryness, and difficulty focusing. You avoid driving after sunset. You stop reading the books you love because of eye strain. It can be frustrating and even isolating. You feel like your independence is slipping away. The good news is your body has not given up. The natural healing ability is still inside, you waiting for the right support. And that support does not come from expensive treatments or supplements. It can come from simple foods you already have at home. In this video, we will look at 3 powerful fruits that can nourish and restore your eyes while you sleep. The first fruit is the blueberry. Small, familiar, and often underestimated. Blueberries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins. These natural defenders give them their dark blue color and protect the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. They help reduce inflammation and improve circulation in the retina. The retina is where light is turned into the images you see, but with age it becomes vulnerable. Blueberries act like small shields supporting blood flow and preventing the breakdown of light-sensing cells in your eyes. When eaten in the evening, they give your body the nutrients it needs to repair itself during sleep. Many people have experienced this. A woman in her 70s once told me she had stopped driving. After dark, everything was blurry. She began adding blueberries to her dinners, and after a few weeks she could see better at night again. Research also supports this. A recent study found that older adults who ate wild blueberry powder daily showed better vision contrast and sensitivity, especially in low light. Another study from Japan found that blueberry extracts reduced eye fatigue and helped maintain sharp sight. These are real results from natural foods, not pills or chemicals. A small handful each evening, fresh, frozen, or blended, is enough. Next is the kiwi, bright green on the inside, slightly tangy, and full of nutrients. Kiwi is one of the strongest natural sources of vitamin C, which helps rebuild and protect the retina and macula. These areas of your eyes give you color depth and clarity. As we age, they weaken due to oxidative stress. Kiwi works like a natural shield. It supports collagen production, which keeps the eye tissues strong and resilient. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 plant compounds that protect your eyes from blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Studies show that people who eat foods rich in these nutrients have better night vision and a lower chance of developing age-related eye conditions. Kiwi also works in harmony with your sleep cycle. Its antioxidants neutralize waste buildup in the eyes right when your body is naturally repairing itself. That makes evening the best time to eat it. 1 medium kiwi after dinner is enough to supply your eyes with what they need, simple, affordable, and effective. The third fruit is papaya, soft orange and sweet. Papaya is often known for helping digestion, but it is also a hidden hero for eye health. It contains an enzyme called papain, which helps the body clear out protein buildup inside the eye lens. Over time, excess protein can cause cloudiness or early cataracts, making vision dim and hazy. Papain gently prevents this buildup, keeping your lenses clear. Papaya also provides vitamin A, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin, which protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals. Studies confirm that seniors who eat papaya regularly have slower progression of lens clouding and better overall visual clarity. One man in his late 60s once said lights at night looked like halos. After adding papaya to his dinner a few nights each week, he said it felt as if someone had cleaned the glass before his eyes. Just half a cup of ripe papaya after your evening meal can give your body exactly what it needs before your nightly rest. Now let us talk about how to use these fruits easily in your routine. You do not need a complex diet or fancy recipes. Just create a small habit each night. Pick 2 of the 3 fruits to eat after dinner, such as blueberries and kiwi or papaya and blueberries. Rotate them through the week based on what you have. Eat them about 30 to 60 minutes after your meal, so your body can absorb the nutrients before sleep. Stay consistent. This is not a one-night fix, but a gentle daily rhythm that helps your body repair naturally. You can also blend them into a light smoothie using water or almond milk. Avoid added sugar or heavy dairy at night. These fruits are naturally low in sugar and full of fiber and antioxidants. Safe for most people, unless a doctor advises otherwise. The goal is not perfection, it is steady care and balance. When you give your eyes the right nourishment before bed, you are not just reacting to vision decline, you are supporting healing from within, even if your eyesight has weakened. For years, even if you were told it is just a part of aging, remember that your body still listens to you. It can still recover with the right help. Healing does not happen overnight, but it does happen with patience and small steps. Take this as a reminder that your body still knows how to repair itself. Give it kindness, consistency, and the right food each night. A handful of fruit and a bit of trust in yourself can bring back clarity and confidence. One small habit can change how you see the world again. If this message helps you, share it with someone who may need it. Take care of your eyes tonight and every night. Your vision still matters, and your best days are still ahead.